Hey everybody, Marcia here for my Creative Scrapbook. I'm going to show you the current state of my scrapbook room and some of the updates that I'll be doing to it. This is the current state of my scrapbook room. I haven't picked anything up, and I'm only going to show you one half of my scrapbook room. I use the other half for work. But I wanted to make some changes. I'm not happy with the red totes here on the end. I'm going to try using some Ikea drawers there instead. And you can see on top I have bins for my thickers and alphabet stickers and magazines there. And it's part of this is it just looks cluttered to me. So I'm going to try also putting in the doors on some of these openings and see if I could make it look less cluttered. So underneath the bottom, I'm okay with. I have my vertical paper storage, and I have wicker bins that I use to keep my adhesive, ribbons, miscellaneous things in. So let's see what I can do with it. Hello, I have gone to Ikea and gotten the doors and drawers that I wanted for my Kallax shelf here. And it is looking so much less cluttered. You can see I got rid of one of my red totes there, and my kitty is very happily playing in it. And I moved a few things around. I have now in my drawers here I put my stickles and my Nuvo and pops of color. And those I originally had in this cubby here that I emptied out now. And I'll decide what I want to put there. I have my Echo Park embellishments here for my Lori Whitlock design team. Those I actually had by my 6x6 paper pads here. So this is still looking a little messy. I have maybe to purge some of this stuff, but my 6x6 paper pads are here, but I now have a little bit of room here, so maybe I can rearrange a few things. We'll see, purge maybe a few. So then out of my red basket, I had a bunch of cocoa vanilla embellishments from design team work that I still have the paper to, and also Simple Stories embellishments from past design team work. So all of the papers that go with those embellishments are in my vertical storage here in the bottom. So I don't have to store then the embellishments with the paper and make it bulky there. So I can put them in the drawer, and it works much better for storage. And I think it's better for the paper too, to keep the paper straight and it doesn't get stuff poking through it. So I moved my albums over here on the end. This is where the red totes used to be. And I moved my 8.5 by 11 paper and my foil quill and other things there up on the top. And to me that still looks junky, and I think I'm going to go back to Ikea and get another door for this opening and this opening as well. I have just a bunch of miscellaneous things stored in this cubby, and it does look messy, but it's stuff that I reach for often when I am creating, so I like to have it handy. So to have it covered on it and hide the mess when I'm not creating, I think would be ideal. So I'm going to get 2 more doors, and I'm going to clean up my adhesive makeup caddy here, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this space. We'll have to decide. I had hoped that my 6x6 paper pads would fit in these drawers, but they're not quite 6x6. They're a little bit longer and they're just a little bit too tall. I thought it would be perfect if I could get those in a drawer, but it's not going to work. So I think I'll stick with this storage for now until I find a better solution. If you have a solution for me, let me know. I'd be happy to try different things out. So that's my scrap room update for now. So much better with these drawers and doors on my Kallax unit. And my desk is still kind of a mess from creating in August. I still have not cleaned it up totally. But I'm happy with where this is going. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye now.